This is an introduction to Weber Hydralic Rescue Tools used in the fire service. Today we're going to talk about the spreader, the hydraulic hose, hydraulic pump, the ram and the cutter. This is the Weber V50 hydraulic pump. It has a 4 litre oil capacity. You can work 2 lines off it simultaneously by moving these levers to operate the tools. This is the lines in the neutral position. If you need more power to one side, you can use the turbo mode by switching both levers to the one side. It weighs 31.4 kilos, and to start it we have a choke here for cold mode, we have the throttle, and you start it by pulling this cord. I'm now going to start the pump. The pump is now ready for operation. This is the Weber hydraulic hose. It takes high pressure down the centre and returns low pressure back to the pump because this pump is pumping at 700 bar. It has a male and a female end. The male end always connects to the pump. So you take off your dust cap, you push the male end into the female end on the pump, and you twist clockwise till you feel the click. Now it is connected, this hose is now ready to be connected to the tool. This is the Weber SP49 spreader. It weighs 20.1 kilos. And to operate, take off the dust caps, connect up your hydraulic hose, twisting the coupling clockwise till you feel the click. It has a push button operation. It has a carry handle on the top and another one for side operation here. So to operate this tool, use the push button, fully open, the tips are 710 millimeters apart. Close fully and then open just slightly so there's no pressure on the line. This is the RZT2 Weber series ram. So this particular ram weighs 17.8 kilos, has fully extendable ram 1450 millimeters. So we'll connect it up by taking off the dust caps. Push the male into the female, twisting clockwise until you feel it click in. Push button operation. So first, the first stage will come out. You see here on the ends, for purchase pints. Quite slow to come out for the first stage. It takes up a lot of oil. Second stage will come out slightly quicker. You should never hold the ram by the chrome parts as they may get hot if you're operating it much. There's the second stage coming out now. Obviously the more of the ram that comes out, the less strength you will get. Okay, that's the ram fully extended. Okay, taking it back in. It's important to note, if you leave a ram in situ and when you are taking it back down, you make sure you take it back down with the same pump. Otherwise you could overfill a pump by filling it with all the oil that was contained in the ram. Okay, this is the Weber RSX 200 107. It weighs 19.9 kilos, it has a cutting force of 107 tonne. When the blades are fully open, 200 millimeters. We'll connect it up, take off the dust caps, fully twist clockwise until you feel the thick. Now she's ready for operation. You have a carry handle here which is fully adjustable if you have to turn the tool, okay, or if you were left-handed. You have a push button operation for opening and closing. So to pull the trigger closes the tool, and to push the button down opens the tool. So fully open, as I said, 200 millimeters at the tips, but you never cut on the tips. You always cut with the metal as far in towards the body of the tool as you possibly can. When cutting, fully close the blades to ensure the cut. You will feel the little click when you've cut the metal. Then when you open her back up, and when you're finished with the tool, just leave the blades very, very slightly crossed at the tip so the blade or the tool is not under pressure.